Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where for some reason your TikToks are just not loading for some reason. Now, this can happen for a bunch of different reasons. I've said reason already so many times, but whether it's your own TikToks or whether it's somebody else's TikToks you're trying to load up, this is a pretty common issue. And the first thing I would highly recommend you to look at is to see as long as you have a Wi-Fi or internet connection that's working. So what you want to do is if you're able to load into the TikTok app, but some things are loading and some things aren't, well, that's a completely different topic. But if you're able to load into TikTok and nothing is loading up, and you're even getting some errors that say maybe like internet connection isn't working or whatever, well, what I would recommend doing is double checking your internet connection. So you want to go and make your way over to your settings app just like this. You want to check your Wi-Fi connection, your Bluetooth connection, everything like that, and you want to make sure everything is stable in that sense. Now, if those things are stable, you may want to make your way over to and then you may want to make your way over to an app like the App Store. You may want to go ahead and see if you can load anything up. If things are loading, then you're probably okay. It's probably not a Wi-Fi problem. But if nothing else is loading, then it's an internet connection problem, and you're either going to have to connect to a better Wi-Fi connection or connect to an area that has better signal. Now, another thing we can do is make our way back into the TikTok app if everything and the internet connection is working, and you may want to go ahead and see if which TikToks are not loading. If it's certain TikToks are loading and some other TikToks aren't, well, that's another topic and issue as well. In that case, what I would recommend doing is making your way back over to the App Store. You want to go ahead and search up TikTok like this. You want to click on TikTok, and you want to re-update TikTok app, and you want to go ahead and update this application as well. Now, let's say you update TikTok and you're still having this issue. Well, the next thing that I would probably recommend you to do is go to a website like downdetector.com or any website like that and see if you're actually, if TikTok is actually down. There can be a lot of situations where TikTok as an application and their servers are down, and all you will have to do in this specific situation is just wait until TikTok actually goes ahead and fixes, their servers. Now, this is a very, very, very common issue. It happens almost every single day with some sort of application out there. You can even make your way over to the comment section in this video, see if anybody has any troubleshooting ways to fix it there. But those are pretty much the main ways I would go ahead and recommend fixing TikTok if your TikToks are not loading. If you have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.